Welcome everyone. Today we are going to see what is parabola and its equations and some examples on parabola. First of all, we have to know about what is conic sections. When a cone is intersecting with a plane, it produces four different geometries. First one is circle, second one is parabola, third one is ellipse, fourth one is hyperbola. You can see the shapes in right side of the video. Now you can see the properties of parabola. It has a focus. Then what is parabola? Parabola is a set of points in a plane that are equidistant from a fixed point f, that is focus, you can see in the video, and a fixed line directrix. Then we can define the vertex point, which is in halfway between focus and that directrix. A line through the focus perpendicular to the directrix called axis of the parabola. Now we can get the simple equation for parabola if we replace its vertex at the origin. Okay, let's place the parabola at origin and define some points. Our focus point is on 0, p, and also common point of parabola which is in point P, which has x, y coordinates. According to our property of focus and directrix, we know very well about the vertex, which is halfway from the focus and directrix. So the distance is equal. So we can define the directrix as y equals minus p. Also, we can show that the point P is at distance of y from the x-axis. So if the focus is the point 0, p, if point P is any point on the parabola, then the distance from point P to the focus is, we can define this as PF equals square root of x squared plus y minus p all things squared. In our figure, we took p greater than naught, so we have to put the value of pf in a different sense, that is y plus p. Okay, we have to put that y plus p in a modulus. Then we can equals both two values. If we are done that step, then we can take the square in both sides. Then we get a simple equation which is x squared equals 4py. This equation is produced when we take if focus is at 0, p and also directrix at y equals minus p. We have to note down this. If we want to get an standard equation of parabola, basically we put a instead of 1 over 4p, then we can get a equation y equals ax squared. Also, if the value of a is increased, you can see in the picture the focus point is decreased, the shape is compressing with a. Also, we can define the parabola at any side of our axis. If our p is greater than naught, then our parabola opens upward. Also, if our p is negative value, then our parabola opens downward. If we can interchange x and y, then we will get y squared equals 4px. Where we use the focus is p, naught, and the directrix is x equal minus p. Here also we can define that if p is positive, it opens the right, and also if p is negative, our parabola opens left. Now we can go to the example. First example, find the focus and directrix of parabola when its equation y squared plus 20x equal naught, and also we have to sketch the parabola. First of all, we have to find the focus. How to find the focus? Where our degree of y is in squared and also the degree of x in 1. You can simply memorize that we have to think about the both degrees should be equal such that our focus should be in x. Okay, then we can change that 20 into 4 into minus 5 when we took it to the other side. When it is minus 5, our focus is minus 5 comma 0, and also our directrix is minus times p. So minus times into minus 5, it's 5. Now we can draw our parabola. First we can draw the directrix, which is very easy, which is at x equal 5. Then our parabola should be at left side. This is obvious. And also our focus is at minus 5 comma node. Yeah, this is our sketch. Let's go to example 2. Example 2, sketch the region bounded by the parabola x equal y squared and the line 2y equals x minus 3. In order to find the region bounded by the parabola and the line, we have to find the intersecting points by solving two equations. In equation 2, we can substitute x equal y squared. Then we will get 2y equals y squared minus 3. Then we can simply do the factorization. Then we will get y equals 3 or y equals minus 1. When y equals 3, if we put the value in equation 1, we will get x equal 9, and also if y equal minus 1, our x should be at 1. Then our intersecting points will be 9 comma 3 and also 1 comma minus 1. Yes, now we have found the intersecting points. Then we will go to the parabola. How to sketch the parabola first? We know that our parabola equation is y squared equal x. Then we can change this equation into y squared equals 4px. Then we will get p value is 1 by 4, and also our directrix is x equal minus 1 by 4. How do we know this is x equal minus 1 by 4 instead of y equal minus 1 by 4? It's simple that you can identify. I almost said this before. The degree of x and y should be equal in both sides. So the 1 by 4 should be at x. Otherwise our x will not get the degree of 2. It's a simple way to memorize. Now we can sketch our parabola. We know our focus point and also the intersecting points. First we point the intersecting points. First one is 9 comma 3, and also second one is 1 comma minus 1. Then we can join those lines and simply we can get our line. So this region should be the region that is bounded by the parabola and line, and also we have to point out where is our focus. Our focus is at 1 by 4 comma 0. Okay friends, we will meet at next video. Okay, bye bye.